Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to bypass the Minecraft launcher for Java Edition. To my knowledge, this only works for Java Edition, but I do suspect that there is a way to do it for other versions. But for Java Edition, you need this program called Process Explorer. It's developed by Microsoft, it's 100% free, and you can get it from cnet.com. I'll leave a link in the description. It takes 2 seconds to install. But once you have that done, you're going to open up Minecraft Launcher, and you are going to open up whichever version of Minecraft you want to create a shortcut for, which will bypass the launcher. If you want to do multiple versions of Minecraft, then you'll have to repeat the process from a certain point, which I'll address when it happens. But let's open up the latest release, 1.17. So we go into here. It takes a second to launch. Once it's open, you can hit F11 if it's full screen, and then click on the taskbar where the icon is, and it'll minimize. So there are two things you need to do. First thing is you need to hit the Windows key and R. Type appdata or %appdata %/.minecraft. Hit OK, and it'll take you to wherever Minecraft is stored on your computer. You'll see this folder called bin. Whenever Minecraft opens, it creates this file, and then when it closes, it erases it. So we need this file, and we need it in a more permanent location where the launcher can't touch it. So we're gonna copy it from bin while Minecraft is open and create a new folder called launcher bypass. You can call it whatever you want, but I think launcher bypass is appropriate enough. I'm going to open it and paste it in here. So this right here, you don't need to ever do again. This will work for all the versions of Minecraft, but let's say now I want to create a shortcut for 1.17. So I'm going to create a folder here, 1.17. And let's open that up, and let's create a text document, and we'll go into Process Explorer. Now you're going to scroll down to Minecraft Launcher, should be at the bottom, and you'll see under Minecraft Launcher, you'll see Java w.exe with a whole bunch of junk in there. And I'm actually going to blur it, and the reason why is this command line actually contains your Mojang login ID. So you don't want to show this to anyone or post it online, just keep it to yourself. Going to go into properties, and once you're in properties, you have command line. You're just going to copy all of that, Control C it, and now you're done with Process Explorer. So let's go back to our text document, and you're going to paste all that in, hit Control F, and type in djava. Oh, and if this happens, because either you have it case sensitive or you need to change the direction. So there you go. You could, of course, type in a capital D, but just to avoid confusion, just turn off case sensitive because there's only one djava in here anyways. So once you find djava, you're going to see djava.library.path equals. Right after equals, you're going to click there. And I recommend highlighting with the shift and arrow key because highlighting with the mouse and notepad is kind of weird. It jumps too far. I don't know if it's a DPI issue or a sensitivity issue. But you're going to select right up to that quotation, and you're just going to backspace. Now, let's go back here and go into properties for this folder we created. And by the way, for you, it'll be different for each person. It's a random combination of letters and numbers. It's actually different every time you launch Minecraft. But once you're in here, you're going to copy the location. And let's go back into our notepad and paste that. And put the slash, and we'll also copy the name and add that there. Now you have the quotes at the end, and usually when you have quotes you want to put it at both sides, especially when you have spaces in the file path, but you're not going to do that here. It seems a little weird, but just leave this like that and leave the quotes at the end. Just paste it in. You're going to go to File, Save As, and you're going to name it whatever you want. So let's say Minecraft 1.17, and you're going to put .bat and go to all files here, click save, and boom, you're done. Now let's go in here and check, and there it is. So we can delete this, and let me close Minecraft now, and let me close the launcher. Now let me show you what happens. Oh, I need it open. Yeah, so when you click on this, you'll see this command window opens up, and there you go. And you'll see it opens up the version we want from the launcher. So when you do this, you're still going to have the command window. And you know what? That bothers me. I don't like command windows. I don't think anyone does. I like using them, but I don't like seeing them. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this here, and I'll leave this in the description to copy and paste. I'm going to copy all of that. And let's go back to our folder and create a new text document. And again, we're going to delete this anyways because we're not going to save it as a text document. So just go in here, paste all that, and where it says InsertFileLocationHere, we're going to replace that with the file path for this. So right here, let's copy all that and place it in here. And of course, we are going to copy the name. And you are going to hit Save As. And we can do Minecraft 1.17, but .vbs. And go to All Files, Save. There you go. So we can delete this, and now let's see what happens when we do this. There's no command window anywhere. And in just a second, there you go. Minecraft's open. You know what? I'm still not quite satisfied though, because, completely unrelated, sorry. Because, here's the reason I'm not satisfied. Oh, my wallpaper stopped. Okay, but here's the reason I'm not satisfied is because you can't do a shortcut in a VBS file, like an icon. I mean, you can't do an icon. So you create a shortcut, drag that to your desktop, and I mean, some of you might be, skilled enough to know how to do this, but for those who don't, you drag the shortcut to your desktop, and you can delete shortcut from the name. So we go here. You can also delete .vbs. There you go. And now, a really cool trick is you can open up the Minecraft launcher. Or, I'm sorry, not to open up the Minecraft launcher. Open up its properties. Go to Change Icon and just copy this file path. It should already be highlighted, so just hit Control-C. Okay, we don't need you anymore. Properties, Change Icon, Control-V. Okay, and there you go. And yep, and there it is. So let's try it. And it takes a few seconds, but there you go. I actually think it takes faster though, because the launcher, and there's a lot of other things that need to go on. When you're bypassing the launcher, I think, like even though it has to go through the VBS script and the batch file, I think it still makes up for time because of how long it takes to launch the launcher. But there you go. Now, like I said, this is 1.17. If I go into Minecraft launcher, right, and I want a shortcut, let's say for my modded version of Minecraft, I have to go Fabric Loader, let's say, which is, or whatever version you want, a snapshot, whatever. Hit play. Once that's open, you're going to do everything again from when you open Process Explorer and copy the Java command line. So you copy this, and you're going to do everything like the same as you did here. Let's say you can do like this, and you're just going to repeat all that, what you did here. Oops. What you did in, I'm sorry, what you did in here, you're just going to repeat that here. But the difference is when you copy the command line from Process Explorer, you're going to do it while having this version of Minecraft open. And then you can create an icon that opens that version of Minecraft. So there you go. I hope that helps. When you do open Minecraft, you get a crafting table icon on the taskbar. I have not yet found out where that's located, so I've been using the Minecraft launcher icon. But I am going to try and figure out where it's stored, and I'll maybe leave an update for that if you want everything to be perfect like I do. But I hope that helped. And if you have any trouble, leave a comment, and I will try to reply to it as soon as possible. So, yeah, thanks for watching.